Welcome to Cosine's Proof Point series. Each week we'll look at something new that Cosine has done. Today we are looking at refactoring the VLLMRollout class for individual trajectory processing. A trajectory here means the sequence of responses generated by a model to a prompt, often across multiple turns. Previously, all trajectories in a batch had to move in locksteps. One stage couldn't proceed until every trajectory finished, but in reality, each trajectory is independent, and this blocking slowed everything down. Here's what we asked Cosine to do: refactor the VLLM rollout so that each trajectory could progress independently instead of waiting for others. Ensure that completed trajectories were properly marked and returned. Simplify the reward functions so they operated on single trajectories rather than batches. And here is what Cosine built. Cosine first repaired the rollout logic, fixing missed fields, correcting advantage computations, and ensuring all completed trajectories were returned. Then it introduced per trajectory streaming. Each trajectory now runs in its all async task, generating completions, executing tools, and computing rewards without waiting for peers. Cosine also refactored reward evaluation. Finally, it removed unused code, cleaned up nested coroutines, and ensured that generate trajectory only returns once every trajectory is truly complete. Here's what Cosine's impact was. The rollout pipeline is now fully concurrent. So training isn't bottlenecked by the slowest trajectory. Rewards are simpler to compute, easier to debug, and still run concurrently. And the codebase is linear. Unused methods and data classes were stripped out, leaving a clearer implementation. By the developer's own estimate, this task would have taken in human anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. Cosine delivered it in a single pass with just a handful of back and forth messages.